replacing this headlamp, you want to go ahead and remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the trim bezel in place. Now you can take this here and bend it forward to get access to that, but that would weaken the tabs. So we're just going to go ahead and simply remove the 2 lower Phillips head screws. Go ahead and grab your headlamp, pull this out, and you should be able to see the connector on the back side. Simply wiggle the connector free. We applied a little bit of dielectric grease to our tabs here. I'm going to go ahead and press our connector on. Get this line back up. Get your trim bezel up there. We'll go ahead and start putting the screws back in. Just going to get the screws started, and then we'll come back and tighten them all down. You want to make sure that all 4 of these screws are just snugged down. You don't want them super tight, just enough to hold that lens in place.